Children, get ready with your S.St book landmark so that we can complete our exercise that we have started. Okay, so question number 1, 2, 3 have been done. Now question number 4 will be discussed today. So open your books, take your pencil and erasers in your hand. Question number 4. Write true or false. Correct the false sentences in your notebook. Children, it is written notebook, but you have to make the corrections over here in your book if it is a wrong statement. Okay? Let's go for the first statement. An expert who excavates materials from the earth and studies them is known as an archaeologist. Yes, it's correct. Write down true. Second, buildings of historical significance are known as monuments. That's correct. Again write true. C. Edicts are examples of literary sources. No dear, this is a false statement. Underline the word literary and instead of that you have to write archaeological sources. Okay dear children. Next, a manuscript is a handwritten record of information. True. Next, the birth of Jesus Christ is said to have taken place in 1 CE. That means Common Era. That is a true statement. Okay. Now children, question number 5. You have to do this question in your notebook, S.St notebook. So you will take a screenshot of it and later you will write down the answers in your notebook. First we will discuss them. So come to question number A of 5. What is prehistory? Pre means before. So prehistory is that period of history when humans did not know how to read or write. Like children, you might be knowing prehistorical means early human beings. They never knew how to write. So we have not any kind of written record of that period. Fine. So that will be called prehistoric period. Next, what are the main sources of history? This also we have discussed earlier. There are two main sources of history, the archaeological sources and the literary sources. Fine. Next, what are monuments? Old buildings, forts, palaces, temples, tombs built by different rulers are called monuments. Like I gave you an example of Taj Mahal. Okay, it was built by Shah Jahan. So these all buildings, okay, Jantar Mantar in Jaipur, many buildings are very important with the point of historical view. So these all things are called monuments. Fine. Now next, what information do we get from coins? Coins contain legends and inscriptions that give details about the names of the rulers and the period of their reign. Children, you might be knowing on coins there are some inscriptions. In the historic period, you might have seen the coins in your books or somewhere you have really seen the photograph or the picture of the king or their tombs or their era has been written, inscripted on them. So this all tell us about the history of the particular rulers who ruled over that time. Okay. Now next, what do you understand by oral history? Children, oral means through words. It refers to the record of historical information which is based on the personal experiences and opinions of the speakers. It involves myths, folk tales, interviews, and songs that have been passed down from generation to generation through word of mouth. For this, I give you an example of the epic Ramayana. Okay, how Love Kush were delivering the story of Lord Rama and his biography through words to the folk living there. So that is an example of that. You can count down more things about that. Fine. So these all questions you have to write down in your notebook and later you should revise them. Okay, dear children.